Hi guys, thanks for joining our Supercheap Auto giveaway. We are really excited to help make over someone's workshop. We had so many good entries and we've managed to narrow it down to 3 finalists, but we can't pick and we want you to do that for us.
So don't forget, leave a comment below or on our Instagram page to let us know who you think should be the worthy winner, and you yourself could win a whole $500 Supercheap Auto gift voucher. So many winners.
So many winners, but we wanted to show you a little bit more about our finalists, who they are, what they do, and why we think one of them should win. Okay, so this is Jess.
Hi, my name's Jess and this is my race car. She is a Hyundai S-Coupe and she has gotten me through many events. I have built this car from the ground up. Not quite literally, but semi-literally. I started in carnacrosses with this car, and then I converted it from a carnacross car, which is on dirt and stuff like that, to a circuit car. So this is the current setup that I have in my car. I, unfortunately, only have these 2 torches and a singular ratchet. Everything else I borrow from More Performance, as I do not have anything else.
Well, Jess obviously goes to the top of the pile because her race number is 555.
Yeah, I didn't even realise that.
Didn't you? Come on, it's the first thing I noticed. So we like her a lot already. No, honestly, I feel so much for Jess because as a young mechanic, when I was learning the trade, there is nothing more frustrating than not having complete sets of tools, having to borrow tools, because as a professional mechanic, you never ever want to lend your tools to anyone.
Yeah.
So when I eventually got my first set of proper tools, it changed everything. You felt like you were like a 10 times better mechanic overnight. So it would make such a big difference to her.
Yeah, and I think what I love about Jess is her initiative. She's going out, she's being resourceful, she's finding help, she's engaging with the community, and she's not saying, oh, I don't have the tools, you know, I can't, it's all too hard, because it is a hard sport. It's so easy for people to say, oh, it's all too hard, I won't bother. But she's finding a way.
Totally.
She's learning, you know, rebuilding her own engine. Like, I love that determination, that grit, and that ability to find a way. I really resonate with that.
She's not looking for excuses.
Exactly.
She's finding solutions. They say a bad workman blames his tools. Yep. Well, a really terrible one blames not having any tools at all. And she's not blaming anything. So.
Well, it would make a huge impact then to go from no tools to maybe not all the tools, but a very significant number of tools. Like that would easily get you started. So I think she's really deserving.
Yeah, but there's 2 other really deserving ones.
I know. Okay, all right. Well then let's talk about Matt.
My name is Matt and I'm a 25-year-old rally driver from Victoria. Behind me is my 99 Mitsubishi Lancer, which I compete in state events. It's currently maintained by a handful of thrown together tools that I've collected over the years, which is great, but we all know that there's nothing like having the right tool for the right job. And I find myself borrowing from friends a lot just to make sure I get the job done right and safely. Particularly knowing that when I'm going down the stages, I want to know that this is safe and done well. Because when I'm not racing, I love to service crew and help my friends with their project cars. Not only would this enable me, it'd enable me to give back to my friends even more. Thank you for your opportunity to win these tools because I think it's a really cool initiative that you're running. Cheers.
Speaking about good signage, Matt's livery on that Mitsubishi is spot on.
Matt is another beg, borrow or stealer to try and find tools to get through. He also crews in rally as well, doesn't he? So like, not only is he trying to sort of have his own sort of rally life and career, he's also helping out others as well. And we all know you would have been on the receiving end of this so many times.
1000%.
Like people just trying to help out. Like,
and I think the essence behind this is it's a community. We want to support the community. So to have finalists that are engaging in and part of that, like I can think back to when I started and borrowed every tool and had people help me out. And that kind of, you know, people will help you if you want to help yourself kind of attitude. And I really get that from Matt.
But there's one more to talk about.
Yes.
And he's great as well.
My name's Ash. This is my mum.
Hi, I'm Linda, Ash's co-driver and navigator.
Salika, it's my daily driver by day and my rally car driver by the weekends, I guess. So this is the workshop. I kind of put my tools wherever I need to. At the moment, they're on the deck around the corner on top of my mum's table. So if she needs the table, I kind of just dump them somewhere else until the table's free again. I've loved rally for ages. I've been to Japan for the rally. We've been to multiple Australian Rally Championships to volunteer. We've been start-stop control. And yeah, I fell in love actually going to one of those events and speaking to one of the officials there, and they told us about regularity, and that's really what started this movement into like, we can do it. Like it's not a long shot.
I mean, when we talk about making over someone's workshop, the first thing that sticks out to me is Ash doesn't have a
There
workshop.
isn't one.
He's working in the carport. So
Yeah.
you're talking about, how much you could transform someone's working space.
Yeah.
Like that's not a question. That would be huge.
Unfortunately, Supercheap Auto doesn't sell real estate because I think that's probably the way we could help him out most. But you're right, like just being given the bones of a workshop, some of those amazing Supercheap toolboxes to just sort of
Yeah.
build up a bit of an improvised workshop.
Yeah.
But some of the things like, look, that's perfect for him. His workshop would be wherever you can.
This is my
around to.
favourite piece of workshop equipment. Until there's another one that is, but for now and for a while, I think this will be. But no, the other things that I really love about Ash is, he's got this new car, it needs some work. He wants to figure out how to do it himself, but doesn't have the equipment to do it. So we could make a huge impact there. Yeah, I would like to be able to make a difference to someone who's really out there and having a go.
And if giving someone a bit of a hand at this point helps them build that passion for motorsport, I think everyone wins, there's so many
the whole
times
point,
when
yeah.
you could be standing out in the pissing rain, or you could be annoyed because you can't do a job and you just go, it's all too hard and they give up. If this is another way we can actually keep someone interested in the sport and keep them passionate, fantastic. I think it's a massive win as well.
So
what you're saying?
we want to know what you think, because each of these people are so deserving.
Yeah.
It would really make a huge impact to their own ambitions in the sport, but also the community of the sport. So it's over to you.
Consider your choices carefully. It's not
Yes.
down to us, it's down to you. We'd be happy with any one of our 3 finalists winning. But as I say, the final decision rests with you.
Yes, so let us know in the comments below. We also have some videos up on my Instagram, the Mad Garage Instagram. You can comment there, you can comment here, comment on all of them if you want to increase your chances of winning that $500 gift voucher, because we also want to thank you for your support and bring you on this journey to be able to pay it forward and help make someone else's workshop a bit more
Super.